this Unity Editor extension. The HDRP Mask Map Generator simplifies the workflow through a visual interface. It allows for quick merging of separate PBR textures, such as metallic, ambient occlusion, detail mask, and smoothness, into a standardized HDRP-compliant mask map, significantly speeding up material creation. Let's dive into the core features of this tool. One-click smart conversion. Get the job done in an instant. No complicated steps required. Fully compatible with Unity 6. Seamless integration with your current development environment. No more jumping between Photoshop or Substance Painter. Perform all channel packing directly inside the Unity editor for a perfectly streamlined workflow. It supports multiple smoothness sources, including roughness maps. This means, finally, native support for roughness maps. Your free PBR textures are now drag and drop, ready for HDRP. Up to 16K texture support on Windows and macOS, unmatched detail and clarity for your projects. Smart export and naming. Keep your files organized automatically. No more messy file management. From the menu bar, navigate to Tools HDRP Mask Map Generator to open the tool. Drag the metallic, ambient occlusion, and detail mask textures into their respective texture slots. Select Roughness Map as the smoothness source, then drag the roughness texture into its corresponding slot. Confirm the output folder path. Choose the default resolution mode Max Input, which uses the highest resolution among all input textures for the output, and click the Generate Mask Map button to create the mask map texture. Create an HDRP lit material. Then drag and drop the base map, mask map, and normal map textures into their corresponding slots on the material. Create a cube in the hierarchy and assign the material to it to check whether the generated mask map looks correct. If you select Smoothness Map as the smoothness source, drag the smoothness texture into the corresponding slot. Setting resolution mode to min input, using the lowest resolution among all inputs, and clicking Generate Mask Map will produce a new mask map texture. If resolution mode is set to custom, manually enter the output resolution, range 32 to 16,384. Generating a 16K mask map will require more processing time. The Output Settings section includes a Choose Folder button to manually set the save path for the mask map. If no path is specified, the tool will automatically save it to the common directory of all input textures. Enabling Overwrite Existing Files will replace any files with the same name in the output folder when generating the mask map texture. Thanks for watching.